Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanis Adurana binti Mansur, student from Bachelor of Engineering Technology in Medical Electronics. Would like to present my final year project, which entitled The Development of Body Temperature and Skin Hydration Using MIOT. My supervisor is Sir Shahrizaili Mukhtar and my industry supervisor is Ustad Abdullah Faisal. He is a professional mutawif. My project development is basically for Hajj and Umrah user. Why? This is because the population of people participate in performing Hajj or Umrah keep increasing year by year. For the first picture shows that the statistic of annual number of participants of Hajj pilgrims to Saudi Arabia from 1999 to 2019. We can see that for year 2010 until 2013, the total of people that taking part in Hajj is increasing than the year before. So, this situation will make the place of Mecca crowded and uncomfortable for people to performing Hajj and Umrah. Other than that, the unpredictable weather can cause chronic diseases such as sore throat, skin diseases, and dehydration. The second figure shows that May, June, and July month are the hottest month for people to visit Mecca. The cozy time of the year is commonly early May, where heights are frequently around 47 degrees Celsius, with temperature rarely dropping below to 20 degrees Celsius at night. This shows that the unpredictable weather can really affect our health. This case scenario gives me an idea to develop a portable and wearable device that can monitor both of our body temperature and skin hydration. For the problem statement part, although the weather and temperature already been stated in few websites and weather forecasts, the pilgrims still having problem in taking care of their healthiness. Some of them have a lack of awareness about their health condition. Moreover, the unpredictable weather and changing of the surrounding temperature also affect their health condition, as it make them feel uncomfortable and interfere their concentration while performing Hajj and Umrah. The other problem that occurs is pilgrims usually did not have any medical device that can monitor their health condition, especially for both parameters, which is body temperature and skin hydration. This is because the existing product in market is high cost and usually did not have the parameters. The objective of the project is to develop a portable monitor health condition device for Hajj or Umrah. Next, to detect the skin hydration and temperature due to the unpredictable weather and temperature surrounding. Other than that, it is to give an earlier detection alert for the people before having serious health problem. The table shows that the literature review for skin hydration and body temperature. For skin hydration, the first journal used bioimpedance technique to determine types of skin and body liquid. While for the second literature review of skin hydration use optical technique, which is corneometer, to measure the skin moisture. Proceed to the body temperature literature review. The first author compares temperature by taking temperature at axillary, oral, and rectal. While for the next author, they collect wrist and forehead temperature data using non-contact infrared thermometer. So, this is the block diagram for my project. First thing first, as for the input, I use MLX9061 for infrared thermometer sensor for body temperature detection and water level module as for the skin hydration detection. Both of these parameters connected to the microcontroller ESP32 Node MCU, which is act as a processor and coordinator from the sensor to the user phone. Then, the phone will give the output through the Blink application. Next part is the flowchart of my project. When the product is turned on, the temperature sensor and skin hydration will start to measure. The temperature sensor will detect our body temperature whether it is high or low, while for skin hydration sensor it will start to measure the total water in the body based on the range given. For the woman is 45% until 60%, while for men is 50% to 65%. After that, both of the data from the sensor will be sent through the microcontroller, then will be displayed to the phone apps, which is Blink application. Now, I will show you my video demonstration for my project development that occur in two situations, which is dry and moisture situation. So this is the result. From the video, we can see that body temperature for dry situation is higher than after applying lotion as for the moisture situation. This is because when we apply the lotion, it helps our body become moisturized and cool, so the temperature will be dropped. While for the skin hydration, according to the chart from my research below, it shows that the result of the percentage is below than the average health range for women when in dry situation, but it is rise when in moisture situation and reach the average healthy range. As for the conclusion throughout the entire project, all the objectives of the project were met. My project development can help save a person's life because early detection alert them before they have serious problem health. Other than that, this project development will be useful to other industry too, not just pilgrim during Hajj or Umrah. Furthermore, it can be used in the sport industry, such as for doing exercise, or for the athlete used to monitor hydration level during competition and training. To make a recommendation and improve this project for future peers working on the project or one similar, first reduce the size of the development as it intends to be one on the human body. Thus, on a final development scale, it should be the size of marketable watch or other wearable. Other than that, the casing for wearable healthcare monitor should be developed with water-resistant material, as it can be used anywhere and any occasion, especially when rainy day. Plus, the way it notify the user should be improved, not only by sending notification through smartphone, but also adding an alarm with vibration into the project development, so it is also can notify impaired user. Last but not least, the power bank need to be replaced to the battery and charger as it is easier for people to use and move, as the idea of the project is to make a wearable device. That's all for my project development presentation. With that, thank you.